and still catching mad beat down. So I retreat back to my own stomping ground, regroup and lounge, put on a couple of pounds and make plans to create the raw homegrown sounds. Without love and support, I might come up short, but I dare not resort to the low life sport. Young bucks nowadays, even kids my own age, make the front page by getting locked in the cage, pumping self-destruction in their production. Souls get sucked into the evil corruption. The odds of against me in the world won't protect me. Bad thoughts on my mind, but I won't let it take me. Organized confusion, negative illusion. I throw up my guard to combat intrusion. Say what? Say what? Say what? Jungle brother, cause I'm a jungle brother. Jungle, 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 jungle. Jungle brother. Jungle, 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 jungle. Cause I'm a jungle brother. True blue brother. JB. Yeah, I like that.